less is more.
Take. Ooh.
So, today we're gonna talk about something very important as a creative, as a videographer, as a photographer, or even as a painter. We suffer for something, we call it overstimulation. When we are consuming art, we consuming Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, sometimes is too over the place, too much information, and we get tired, we get too much stimulation visually, and we want to give up. And my solution to that is less is more. Try to put, I don't know, 1 hour of consuming and 1 hour of rest, because overstimulation sometimes can be very stressful. But if you follow a protocol of resting and also working, you can get better. So today, this is the episode. See you soon.